We have incredible news today. I am so excited to finally reveal the launch of the new 2026 Honda CB400 Four.
The 2026 Honda CB400 Four arrives with a single purpose: to revive the golden era of Honda craftsmanship while proving that modern engineering can still carry the soul of a classic. This motorcycle is more than a tribute. It is a rebirth of one of Honda's most beloved machines. The original CB400 Four of the 1970s earned legendary status with its sleek lines, iconic 4x1 exhaust, and a riding experience that blended sporty attitude with everyday usability. Honda studied that DNA carefully and brought it forward into a world where efficiency, performance, technology, and reliability all have to coexist. What makes the 2026 model so captivating is that it doesn't just mimic the old design, it elevates it with precision engineering and fresh purpose. This is a bike designed for riders who crave authenticity, control, and timeless mechanical charm, yet demand the refinement that only a modern Honda can deliver. At first glance, the 2026 CB400 Four commands attention with an unmistakably classic silhouette. The proportions are deliberately balanced: a sculpted tank that flows into a slim seat, a minimalist tail, and a stance that captures the spirit of retro street machines while looking undeniably contemporary. Honda reimagined the original exhaust, creating a new 4x1 system that maintains the signature sweeping arc but adds a deeper, more resonant tone engineered for modern emission standards. The metal components shine with a handmade quality, blending polished surfaces with brushed finishes for a premium tactile feel. Even the side covers and frame geometry were sculpted to echo the Pote 1970s original without losing the modern compactness needed for control and agility. The designers focused on weight distribution, aerodynamics, and structural firmness, resulting in a motorcycle that looks retro, but behaves with the responsiveness of a modern sports standard. The engine is where the CB400 Four truly sets itself apart. Honda stayed true to the spirit of the inline-four layout, giving the bike a 399cc liquid-cooled four-cylinder masterpiece that revs with the smoothness of a precision-built instrument. It generates a thrilling combination of mid-range torque and a high-revving crescendo that defines the character of a classic Honda Four. The 2026 model is tuned to deliver explosive yet predictable acceleration, while remaining fuel-efficient and compliant with global emission standards. Peak power arrives high in the rev range, encouraging riders to explore its full personality. Honda engineered this bike to be a rider's machine, one that rewards finesse, input, and timing. The lightweight crankshaft improves throttle response, while the redesigned intake pathways ensure optimal airflow, giving it a crisp and vibrant sound that modern riders will appreciate. Every twist of the throttle delivers a sensation that blends nostalgia with precision. Advanced technology integrates seamlessly into the riding experience without breaking the retro magic. The new CB400 Four features Honda's modern ride-by-wire system, selectable riding modes, and a refined traction control unit calibrated for smooth, unobtrusive intervention. These systems work in harmony to enhance safety while preserving the pure mechanical feel riders expect from a machine inspired by the 1970s. The digital display maintains a vintage aesthetic with round dial styling yet packs contemporary features, including gear position, fuel range, trip information, and customizable brightness. LED lighting completes the modern touches while retaining classic shapes, from the circular headlamp to the minimalist rear indicators. Honda created a perfect blend of modern convenience and old-school aesthetics, ensuring that every feature feels purposeful and cohesive. Honda's chassis development team spent years finding the perfect balance between agility, stability, and comfort. The steel tube frame is crafted to keep the bike planted at high speeds while retaining a slight flex that gives the rider natural feedback from the road. The suspension setup consists of premium telescopic forks up front and dual shocks in the rear, tuned with progressive damping to offer excellent comfort over uneven surfaces, while maintaining sharp handling characteristics during spirited riding. The CB400 Four doesn't attempt to be a track monster. Instead, it delivers confidence and satisfaction on real-world roads, twisties, urban areas, open highways, and everything in between. The ergonomics are upright yet sporty, creating a riding triangle that accommodates both long commute hours and weekend mountain rides. Honda made sure this bike fits a wide range of riders without compromising control. Braking performance is equally refined. A dual-disc front setup paired with a lightweight ABS system gives the CB400 Four excellent stopping power without being overly aggressive. The braking feel is progressive, allowing riders to modulate pressure with ease. Honda intentionally tuned the system to create a balance between responsiveness and stability, especially during emergency braking or mid-corner adjustments. The rear brake offers additional control without being intrusive, giving the entire braking package a harmonious, predictable feel. This combination of brakes, chassis, and suspension contributes to a riding experience that feels intuitive and satisfying from the very first ride. Where the CB400 excels is in the emotional connection it creates with the rider. Every detail, every sound, and every movement feels handcrafted to evoke the joy of riding. The smooth hum of the four-cylinder engine, the deliberate mechanical pulse at idle, the progressive pull of the throttle, and the crisp transition through the gears all bring back the essence of what made classic motorcycles unforgettable. Yet the refinement is unmistakably modern. Vibration control, heat management, and overall balance have been engineered to perfection. This is a motorcycle that not only looks and feels special, it performs with the consistency and reliability for which Honda is renowned. Riders can push it hard or take it slow, and no matter the pace, the CB400 responds with character and confidence. Honda also focused on practical, everyday usability. The 2026 CB400 Four offers excellent fuel efficiency due to its refined combustion system and aerodynamic profile. The bike's maintenance intervals are generous, and the engine is designed for long-term durability, ensuring riders can enjoy thousands of miles without worrying about reliability issues. The underseat storage is small but functional, enough for essentials like tools or documentation. Honda knows its audience well: riders who appreciate style but need a dependable machine for daily life. This balance of charm and practicality makes the CB400 Four not just a weekend toy but a legitimate all-around motorcycle capable of handling the demands of commuting, touring, and spirited riding. When it comes to the riding experience, the new CB400 Four shines in ways that are immediately noticeable. The engine's smoothness at low speeds makes city riding effortless, while the sharp throttle response and well-spaced gearing give riders access to strong acceleration whenever needed. On winding roads, the bike feels planted and eager, allowing precise cornering lines and comfortable lean angles. The lightweight frame allows quick transitions, making it feel agile yet stable. On longer rides, the seat cushioning, bar position, and suspension comfort reduce fatigue, making the motorcycle a pleasure to ride for hours. Honda engineered every aspect to ensure the bike feels rewarding. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising through open landscapes, collectors and enthusiasts are already labeling the 2026 Honda CB400 as a future classic. Its blend of mechanical purity and modern refinement sets it apart from the crowded world of aggressive sport bikes and oversized cruisers. It offers something few modern motorcycles provide: authenticity. It acknowledges the past but isn't trapped in it. Instead, it evolves the concept, paying homage to the legendary CB400 of the 1970s, while creating a new identity for a new generation of riders. This model will appeal to young riders discovering the charm of retro machines.